Hello and welcome to today's Friday SEO tip. My name is Chris Ralph. I'm the founder of Boulder SEO Marketing. Today I want to talk about a new section that has been added to Google Search Console. They added a new HTTPS report in Search Console. Why is that important? Well, it's part of the page experience report. It's a pretty technical SEO ranking factor. Let me quickly show you here. If we take a look at the SEO strategy framework that we created, this is basically in a nutshell how SEO works today. I'm not going to go through this in this video, but basically here we go. There's Google, there's the algorithms, on-page SEO, technical, page experience. Okay. This is a ranking signal or factor that we are in control, right? It applies both to mobile and desktop, and we can manipulate or find information about this ranking signal in Google search. There we go. Let's actually head over here. Google Search Console. So I'll come back to this new section here, but basically in a nutshell, it's an important ranking signal that we need to tend to. All right, and again, I'm gonna post all the links to these websites, pages that I'm sharing down below in the description of the YouTube video. I'm not gonna go through this, I'll let you read it, but let's dive right into it. All right, so what is HTTPS? It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It basically secures the information that's being transmitted between you and a website, right? So if you go to an e-commerce website, you use your credit card to buy something, you want to make sure that the information is secure that's being transmitted between you and that website. So that's basically what HTTP is in a nutshell. Let's head over to Google Search Console and talk about, why it's important to know which pages are HTTP not secure and HTTPS secure, right? So Google added this section. It's brand new as of Wednesday, I think September 14th. So you now get to see which pages potentially have elements that are being pulled in from a not secure location. It can happen. Maybe there's an image that's being pulled in from a not secure location. So you want to look for, this section here. Are there any issues on your website? Luckily, the Boulder SEO Marketing website does not have any issues right now. We're all in the clear here. So if you see a number here, just click on it. There's going to be a section down here, view examples of HTTP pages. I'm sure Google will provide instructions or information on how to solve the problem. So this, in a nutshell, is a quick overview of this new section in Google Search Console. Definitely take advantage of the information provided directly by the search giant. So hopefully this is useful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Stay safe and healthy. Bye, everybody.